Investigates. I am in front of the home of Brian Laundrie, Roberto and Christopher Laundrie, Wabasso Avenue. I'm out here hurricane hunting. I came by their home to see what was going on. They didn't put up no hurricane shutters like their next door neighbors have, like hurricane shutters or boards or whatnot. A lot of the homes down here are putting wood up on their home. That home there, as you see, shutters going on. Hurricane Ian is in the area. And a lot of homes have put up hurricane type shutters, like right there, to prevent damage, because there's more right here, out right there. I am hurricane hunting in the area. This is Race and Wabasso Avenue. Electrical people are out. It was raining. It's kind of misty now, drizzling. I'm going to see what's going on in this area here in Northport. So bear with me. People are taking preparations. They're evacuating. I've been through communities like Northport, like Sarasota. I was in Venice, down in Punta Gorda. Checking the area out a couple days before the storm hits. The storm is supposed to hit very, very soon, and forecasters have the hurricane as a Cat 3, possibly a Cat 4. This is Northport. I'm gonna spin the camera so you can see what it looks like in Northport, Florida. Many gas stations have been out of gas. They're open, but out of gas, out of fuel. Looks like the same thing here. I'll pull in. This is the gas station down the street from the Laundries. And you can see the pumps are closed. The pumps are closed. They are closed. They're shutting things down. Hurricane is coming soon. See, it says out of service. Out of service. Out of service. This has been going on throughout the area for hunkering down. What's going to happen? Hurricane Ian is, according to the models at this time, today is Tuesday. This time, they say that it could hit anywhere between Punta Gorda, Manatee County, Bradenton, somewhere in between, south of Tampa. Maps had it in the Tampa area. It keeps shifting. I'm around. I am around storm chasing in Northport, Florida. Subscribe to my channel, hit the notification button. I cover true crime throughout the country. I storm chase. So I'll be, after the storm comes through, just for my safety. I'm not going to be out on the road while the storm actually comes through. This is probably a good 12 hours before they get the actual real effects. I'll be back out surveying the damage, documenting the damage, and sharing with everyone here on what is going on. So everyone stay safe. If you're in the Florida area, follow the advice of officials and pray. And, you know, make sure your family's safe, you're safe, your pets are safe, your community's safe. Once it goes through, make sure your neighbors are okay, right? Make sure you're